welcome to A Chef Called Rhonda. I'm Rhonda, and this is my kitchen. Today's Tuesday, April 12th, and today I wanted to share some exciting news. I wanted to share our celebratory COVID-19 Vaccine Day with all my subscribers. So today, traditionally on a Tuesday, I'll upload a recipe, but what's better than getting a COVID-19 vaccine shot? So today we're celebrating our vaccine with you, our community, our audience, a chef called Rhonda receiving the COVID-19 vaccine. Cheers! Stay tuned! Hi everyone, it's a chef called Rhonda. Today's a big celebratory day. Today in our household, we're getting our COVID-19 vaccine shots. That means we can get on with life, yay. So yeah, I carry an EpiPen, and today I'll be receiving the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. And I wanted to share this experience with you. I hope you will watch, and I hope it's quick and painless and side effect less. But we'll see. I look forward to sharing this experience with you. And yes, so we're just waiting on the home health aide to come in and vaccinate us. All right, so EpiPen and asthma inhaler in hand. We're waiting. All right, here's our COVID-19 vaccine shot by Johnson & Johnson. Okay guys, well they're on their way. They're just coming through the gate now, so we're putting on our mask, we're getting ready, and another step closer to the world returning back to normal. COVID vaccine day. So it's the Johnson & Johnson, and is that the one you most often give?
Well, right now that's the one that we give, but before we were giving Pfizer. Johnson & Johnson is one.
Yeah, that's why they want
Because you wanted to poke on the ones.
yeah.
But
Yeah.
not even 10 seconds.
Right.
No, not yet.
Cool.
Not yet. I don't think.
I hope that. No, I'll be fine.
Yes, on the New Jersey website to see, they couldn't see there.
So does this go right into the muscle?
Yes, we gotta go right way. L20.
Oh, do I need to take the shirt out?
No, you're
Oh, okay.
fine. You're fine. Good shirt. When you're gonna get the shirt, don't think about it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Think something about else, okay? And then I'm not gonna make you look, and you think about something, and then I only.
What?
Can we use it?
What is it?
The alcohol swab.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course. I love alcohol. Swabs, that is. Cleanliness. Shoe's good, right?
Yeah, it's good, yeah.
Yeah, it should be good. Oh, my shoe fell off.
So how long does it take? Is it 3-4 seconds?
The vaccine?
Yeah.
It will be quick.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So anyway, oh, is that the muscle you need?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you want me to hold my shirt?
No.
Okay.
Husband can hold your arm.
Oh.
Anyway.
Hold my arm?
Hold your arm.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Don't get tense,
Yeah.
okay?
Okay, now I'm relaxed.
Should we get the strap?
So,
Back up a little.
oh, do you want my elbow on the
Warm
table?
her hand just to make her.
Yeah.
She's just like a baby.
And you're gonna count to 10, right? You're gonna count to 10 slowly.
Yes.
No,
There you go.
God. Oh,
Okay.
yeah, I'm good. Do you want me to hold that shirt?
No.
Okay.
I'll get another help.
You don't have to keep asking, Ronnie. Alright, so we're gonna.
Just like it.
Yeah.
Alright, so.
And
You're gonna count
just
to
a
10.
little pinch, okay?
Yeah,
Give me a
that's
little
fine.
pinch, look.
Don't think
Yeah, I'm
about
good,
it.
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Yep,
Yeah,
yep, I'm
Think,
good.
count to 10.
No.
Count to 10.
Okay.
1, 2,
2, 3.
three,
Is it that? Oh.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good.
Okay, now in Italian.
For a second.
Oh, thank you.
Drink alcohol.
Don't drink no alcohol.
Oh, no. No, no,
No
no.
tobacco.
Just water.
No tobacco, no alcohol.
Oh, no. No, no, we're good. We're healthy.
Just to go to the-
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Okay, chef called Rhonda, fully vaccinated. Our household is fully vaccinated. Got that Johnson & Johnson vaccine. All right, we're one step closer to reuniting again, all together. COVID-19 vaccine complete. Yeah. Without a hitch. All's good. Little sore arm, but yep, we got it. All right, give me 2 thumbs up. All right, let me know if you got your vaccine.